y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello and welcome. In today's video, I am going to be doing a really pretty pastel cut crease makeup look. So if you would like to go from this to this, then just keep on watching. I've already primed my eyes and I did my brows off camera, so now we're just going to hop right into it doing the eyeshadow. So the very first thing that I'm going to take is the Spoiled Cosmetics Volume 4 palette. And the reason why I'm going to be taking this palette is because I'm going to be using that mint shade in the palette. This is my favorite matte mint shade to work with, which is why I wanted to use this particular palette for this particular look. So I'm actually going to be taking this really tiny detailed crease brush, and I'm going to be packing that mint shade into the inner half of my crease. Dipping into my BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, I am going to be taking the shade Electric, which is a really pretty soft bubblegum pink color. I'm going to be applying that right into the middle of my crease next to that mint shade using the same brush that we used earlier. Taking this really fluffy, kind of smallish, fluffy crease brush, I'm going to be using this brush to kind of blend out those little edges right there, just to kind of make the eyeshadow look a little bit more softer and just a little bit more blended. And I'm kind of going to be going in little circular motions because I really don't want any harsh edges. I really want soft edges, which is why I'm going to be doing this step. Going into my BH Cosmetics Modern Max 24 color eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking the kind of periwinkle blue color, and I'm going to be applying that to the outer half into my crease using that same small detailed crease brush. Now comes the fun part. I'm going to be cutting my crease using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. This is just in the shade 105 Soft Ivory. And to cut my crease, I'm just going to be using this little eyeshadow brush right here. It is a round-topped eyeshadow brush, meaning that the top right here is rounded, and it makes cutting the crease a whole lot easier. Because I haven't used this palette yet, and this is a palette that I've been dying to play around with, but honestly I just didn't know what kind of looks to create with this palette, so I'm going to go in with the Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette from Colorpop Cosmetics. I'm going to take the shade Girlfriend, and it's a really pretty shade. It's kind of like a metallic reflective color. It's got a duochrome to it, so it's got little shifts of pink and purple in it, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. So I want to play around with that shade. To apply that shade to where we just cut the crease, I'm going to be using this flat shader brush, and I'm also going to be dampening the brush with a little bit of the Jeffree Star X Morphe Continuing Setting Mist. I'm going to be curling my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler. Then I'm going to be applying some mascara. The mascara that I'm using today is just the Believe It Beauty Extended Lash Lengthening Mascara. Going in with some false eyelashes, and I'm going to be using these Faux Mink 5D lashes. These are from the brand Eve, and these are in the style 014. And they're very bold and they're very dramatic, which is why I wanted to use these today. And then for my eyelash glue, I'm going to be using my glue that I use every single day. This is just the Strip Eyelash Adhesive. This is in black. I really like this one because I don't wear eyeliner on my upper eye, so I really like the fact that this kind of conceals the lash band and you can't see that ugly glue mark. And then I'm also going to be using a tool to apply my lashes with. I have this little metal eyelash applicator that I got off of a website called Beauty Bing Bangs. It is a website where you can get a bunch of affordable tools and some makeup products on there. I don't really recommend their makeup products because their makeup products are not really that great. However, their tools on there are awesome. I have this, and then I have a contouring brush that I got off that website that's really good. So, yeah. I did my foundation, my concealer, my powder off camera because, you know, that's how I roll around here. So now we are going to be doing it via lower lash line. So I'm going to be applying a little bit of white eyeliner to my lower waterline. This is from LA Colors. This is just their audio eyeliner. This is just in the shade of white. I love this eyeliner. It is a really good one if you're on a budget. It's not the greatest, but it'll do. So if you're on a budget, because I know times are tough for everybody right now, that is a really good eyeliner. You can find that at most dollar stores or just different places like that. So I'm going to be smudging a little bit of the shadows that we used in my crease onto my lower lash line in the exact same formation as is on the upper crease area with this little angled brush. Then I'm going to be applying a little bit of lower lash mascara. I'm going to be using the same mascara that I used earlier on my upper lashes. And this is just from Believe Beauty. This is just their extended lash lengthening mascara. Speaking of being on a budget, if you're on a budget and you need some good mascaras or you need a really good foundation, check out Believe Beauty. They have awesome affordable products at most Dollar Generals. I literally just had one of the most heartbreaking things happen to me just a couple minutes ago. I dropped this bronzer and I haven't opened it and I haven't checked on it to see if it's okay. It's okay. Good. Yeah, so this little bronzer right here took a tumble off of my desk. I was in the middle of doing my lower lash line and I had everything stacked up on top of each other on my desk today. And when I went to get one of my palettes to do my lower lash line, this was sitting on top of it and I didn't catch it and it just went boop right onto the floor. So I just picked this up a couple of seconds ago with my little stick right here, and I'm really happy that this did not shatter. So we're going to be going into, or I'm going to be going into the Cèate London bronzer. This is just their bamboo bronzer. This is just a little sample, and this is what it looks like. I used to have a bow impressed into the powder, but I've literally used this so much that you cannot see the bow anymore. And to apply it, I'm going to be using this big fluffy brush. Used this face palette yesterday when I did my makeup and I rediscovered it and fell in love with it, so I'm going to be using it today for blush. This is just the e.l.f. Total Face Palette. I think what I'm going to do is mix these two blush shades in the palette onto my cheeks because I really like them. One's a bit more on the pinky side, one's a bit more on the peachier side. When you mix them together, they're really pretty. And what's really unique about these blushes is that they are not a full-on matte blush. They are a beautiful satin finish blushes. I absolutely love them. I know a lot of people here on YouTube really don't like the e.l.f. Total Face Palette, and I'm going to be honest with you, the highlight's not that great in this palette. Even though it's been used a ton, this used to be my mom's and then she gave it to me. She really liked the highlighter in this palette because she doesn't really like highlighting, so she liked the sheerness of it. But I really liked the bronzer and the two blushes in this palette, so that's why it became mine. But anyway, to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. About taking a couple of years off of my life today, I just almost dropped this highlighter a few minutes ago, and that would have been really bad because this is one of my favorite highlighters, and I would have been crushed if this would have shattered. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. It is a beautiful highlighter. I absolutely love it. It has kind of a pink kind of duochrome to it. I love duochrome, if you can't tell. It is perfect for like glam days. It's perfect for just everyday subtle days. Like you can kind of really blend this out and sheer this out and make it just kind of look like a nice subtle highlight. Or you can layer it on and you can make it look really intense and really bold and really dramatic, which is why I love it. So I'm going to be applying that to the high points of my cheekbones using this highlight brush from Cheek. I'm also going to be highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with this little brush right here. This used to be a lip brush, but I like to use it for my inner corner because it's absolutely perfect to fit right in that little edge. is lips, and then I'm done. So for lips, I'm going to be using my Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit. This is just in the shade Coco K. I love both of these formulas of both of these products. I love this lip liner. It is a very smooth, very creamy lip liner. It glides on like a dream. I also really like the liquid lipstick. I know a lot of people really don't like it because it's drying and all that other crap, but honestly, yes, it's drying, but that's what a liquid lipstick is. Like, you're not going to find a liquid lipstick that is not drying. That didn't really make any sense there, but I think you know what I was getting at here. So, I mean, all liquid lipsticks I have found to be kind of a little uncomfortable. I don't wear liquid lipsticks every single day. I love liquid lipsticks. I think they're awesome if you're someone that you don't have a lot of time to touch up your makeup. I think they're great for weddings. I think they're great for proms, things like that. But on an everyday basis, do I think that you need to use a liquid lipstick? No, I do not. I think maybe just a simple tinted lip gloss or a simple tinted lip moisturizer like a chapstick would be just as good. But on days that you want to be really fancy and you don't want to touch up your makeup a whole lot, I think those are the times that you should reach for a good liquid lipstick. So this is the completed look. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. I had a lot of fun creating this look. I think it turned out super cute. I absolutely love it. I love the pastel colors. I just love it. So if you would like to see more makeup looks like this one, then be sure to hit that subscribe button down there below because I would really appreciate it. I upload new videos every Thursdays, Saturdays, and Mondays, and I upload them between the times of 6 and 6:30. I'm trying to get a set time, but I'm a little bit torn because when I upload them at 6, they do good, and if I upload them at 6:30, they do good as well. So somewhere within that time frame, I decided to switch to evenings because I just realized, even for myself, like that's always the time that I watch videos because in the evenings, that's when you're winding down for the day. So that's why I picked to switch around my videos and upload them in the evening time. So yeah, also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up down below and also share it on your social media and let's get some more subscribers because again, that would help me out a lot. If you would like to keep up with me and you would like to see all my crazy shenanigans, you can go over on social media and you can follow me there as well. And so yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you all are staying safe and well out there, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.